constantly print subprocess output while process is running. To launch programs from my Python scripts, I'm using the following method. So when I launch a process like process.execute mvn clean install, my program waits until the process is finished, and only then I get the complete output of my program. This is annoying if I'm running a process that takes a while to finish. Can I let my program write the process output line by line, by pulling the process output before it finishes in a loop or something? I found this article which might be related.
You can use iter to process lines as soon as the command outputs them, lines equals iter fd.readline. Here's a full example showing a typical use case, thanks to @JFS for helping out.
To print subprocess output line by line as soon as its stout buffer is flushed in Python 3. Notice, you do not need p.poll, the loop ends when EOF is reached. And you do not need iter p.stout.readline, the read ahead bug is fixed in Python 3. See also, Python, read streaming input from subprocess.communicate.
Okay, I managed to solve it without threads. Any suggestions why using threads would be better are appreciated, by using a snippet from this question intercepting stout of a subprocess while it is running.
There is actually a really simple way to do this when you just want to print the output. Here we're simply pointing the subprocess to our own stout, and using existing succeed or exception API.